All right, y'all. I'm Jeffrey Godby. This is Collins Motorsports, and I'll be darned. Look at just who decided to show up.
I'll be darned.
About time somebody showed up.
Party has arrived.
Done all the work around here today, and boss just shows up whenever he wants to. Working like slaves around here.
That's how it works around here.
Nah, I guess we're gonna
You ready to pull this motor out?
about to pull the motor out. I've been waiting on you.
We got a fresh
I've
bullet.
done. I pulled the headers off. I mean, I'm just kidding. He's done all the work. I'm slacking. I just got here.
Got a fresh bullet coming from H&R Race Engines. Pull this one out today and get it ready. It should be here within the next couple a week or so.
Hopefully. When
That
we
was a fresh bullet. That's my street stock I drive right there. That's owner Kenny McBride owns that one. That's my niece Smith ride.
what'd you do?
Well, what did I do? You pulled the radiator hose off and water went everywhere.
It happens. It
Missed
happens.
a bucket by
It's been a year and a half since we've done this.
Like 10 miles, he missed a bucket by.
I really don't care.
Hole in one. Not at all. So, I think we're going to try to make it to the Borderline Brawl at All Tech Raceway. What is the date?
February 20th practice. 21st we qualify heat race.
Yeah.
And 22nd we race.
1,000 to win for the 602s. So,
Well, they'll probably have 100 Thunder stocks.
yeah.
The weekend before, I think it pays $2 or $3 grand to win 602s. Can't take the street stock. We locked in at Cochran.
Wow. You said we can't fix it?
I was thinking positive, but if we want to go and run All-Tech, then we'll go run All-Tech.
Boy, this is a high quality race team right here. We can fix it. Ain't nothing but to do it.
We can get Brooks over here for it.
Come on, Brooks. Let's go. Come run the half-mile hustle. It's only like 145 hours, like going to Egypt for you, but just come on, I'll get the old clunker right there. She'll go at it. She might be old, but looks can be deceiving. That old car, we really just went there just to have fun, and I went out for qualifying. We broke a ball joint to start with. Left front, went to the corner 3 and 4 and it broke, and we almost had the wall for a sandwich for dinner.
I didn't. You did.
I did.
We'd still be fixing you out of it.
Fixed it, patched it, went out for qualifying. What did we end up qualifying? Third in our group?
Third in our group. I think we were 11th overall.
Yeah, 11th or so overall. And we went out and we went for second with Brooks, passed Brooks. Was it Hayden that won, right?
Yeah, about outran Hayden too.
Hayden won the race. We was right there with him for a while. I just started chopping turn 3.
Yeah, about outran Hayden too.
Hayden won the race. We was right there with him for a while. I just started chopping turn 3. And ended up costing me, and Brooks got back around me. I ended up 3rd. And then the rain came for the next day, so they rescheduled it. So we'll start 10th.
Tentatively supposed to be 10th, but if people don't show up,
Yeah, we might be up to $5,000. So see what happens.
I've heard quite a few people aren't supposed to be coming back.
Yeah. Either way,
We can do it.
we'll be there, rain, sleet, or shine.
Bells and a cowboy hat on. Well, you'll have the cowboy hat.
I'll have the cowboy. I'll have the Callahan cowboy.
Where did the Callahan cowboy come from?
I don't know. This here is a GM 602 crank motor. This here can go in your backwoods 75. Something. Sounded good anyway. We got
Getting a good video.
Alright.
What we do to get a thumbnail, I guess.
Yeah.
Alright, so finally got the motor pulled out. It's over there somewhere. And got a new one coming from H&R. Ricky's building Chase a, what'd you call it, a power plant? A good one? The best you can get with a 602, I guess. But as y'all probably heard us talking a little while ago, first race will be borderline brawl. I don't know where he's going. Hold on a second, let's find out. If I don't fall. First race, borderline brawl. February 20th, practice.
Might have the street stuff too.
Might. Okay. Shirts? Anything?
Shirts.
Are we gonna have shirts?
I'm gonna make an order here in the next week or so should have shirts. I have black with the late model on there.
Figured he'd put all cars. Preston, got anything to say? Are you just happy to be here?
That's right there. That right there is the main tire man. That's right.
Nah, we're gonna have to talk about that one. We're talking about that one.
Y'all
All right.
hey, on a serious note, y'all look like y'all are part of the crew because y'all both got orange on and card part. Like I got crew shirts.
Nah, we talking about race day duties before long. I ain't giving up my job. I can hold a camera and do a tire.
No, you can't.
You hate me? See, perfect camera guy. He don't have to be on camera. He got quiet.
Yeah, I get camera shot.
Camera shy? I did too until I started this.
Till we start doing this, I've been.
He has the right idea.
He got a beer in here.
He got a beer in hand. So, old motor out, waiting on the new one. I got what, 3 weeks? Exactly a month. And we'll be on track with late model for the first time. Street stock's got a couple things to fix. I don't know what all needs to be fixed, but I know there's
Left front, everything.
everything in the left front. All right. So that's it for now. Y'all hit that like button. What I got to do, Preston? Subscribe. There you go. Got to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'm training y'all.
I know what to say. Like and subscribe.
And
Share. And ring the bell. What's the bell?
ring the bell.
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell.
It's supposed to say share too.
Yeah, hit the share button if you feel so. Hey, careful. That's brand new. All right. I'll see y'all next time.